All right, champions, just taking a quick downstairs tour of the house. This is the Harry Potter room. Lights are off, obviously. We got the floating candles and some of the Harry Potter paraphernalia, the tie, stuff like that, little signage. And coming down our hallway, this is coming in the doorway from the garage. We have our little scarecrow guy. That's me. Got my hatchet and skull. Our Christmas stockings. Like those. This is our side entrance to the house. My 1,000 piece puzzle that my daughter gave me. Going upstairs, got some friends up there waiting for us. Into the bathroom, got to show you this. Has scared many people. Not the lady here, but here's a little detail. My zombie toilet paper holder. My Beauty and the Beast doorknob. When you shut the door, there's Fred. He makes sure that when you go to the bathroom, everything comes out okay. And going into the kitchen, little dining area. Mary just redid the bar, stained it, or the laboratory. Got all our bottles of poison up there, guarded by Slimer. Got our little chandelier backdrop. And Jason's back there with his little witch's hat, stirring up some stew. Got our Halloween candy out. Obviously the kitchen's not all done up yet, but some of the candles are on. This is the living room. Just got our new floor installed. Still got some transitions to do. And giving the tour with the lights out this time, just so you can see it at nighttime. Give it a chance to focus a little bit. Here's my mummy. I love the lighting that Mary has done with everything. There's our little Christmas tree or something. I don't even know. Here's the dining room. Looks real cool. Obviously can't see all the cool colors at night, but you can see how the candelabras and the candles kind of make everything look cool. You can't see it real well, again, in the dark, but the mantle, I'll get a close-up, see if you can see. Yeah, it doesn't show too great, but there's a bunch of skulls there. Our grandfather clock that's a little haunted with the lights on it. And then coming into the master suite. Haven't really done a whole bunch with this yet. Just have the coffins. And then this is where, you know, a lot of the artwork and things are put together. Here's the bedroom. That's where the hauntings happen. Sorry about that, Mary. My walker from the hip surgery. Our little backdrop. We got cool lighting in here too. When we turn out the lights. So that's the downstairs, at least part of it. Still getting a lot done, getting ready for the Halloween party. I got a couple more scarecrows outside. Anyways, looking forward to it.